Okay, welcome to 552 Island Street in Rexburg, Idaho. This is just north of Rexburg. This is a beautiful home, sits on a full acre. You got a huge side yard, huge backyard, huge front yard. I'll just pause right here, give you a little shot of that. Nice little view of the Grand Tetons. And let's go ahead and walk through this home. Let me just step back real quick, show you the entry. I love the dormer look there, it's very nice. You walk right into the living room. Really big, nice, open living room area. That's a wood fireplace right there, a real wood fireplace. I'll just step back and pan this living room. You see that huge sectional. I mean, there's a lot of space in this room. Really nicely laid out. The spatial thought that went into this home is definitively good. Kitchen, dining, obviously. I'll just kind of pull back here so you can get a feel of the size of this kitchen. Again, lots of uppers. They really did think through this spatially. Dining, to the right is the laundry, and then to the garage to the left is a walk-in pantry. We'll just pause here. Take a look in this pantry. Really nice, deep walk-in pantry. Access to the crawl space right there. Forced air propane furnace. Water heaters, also propane. LVP floors, granite countertops. And back to the laundry center, you can see beautiful little table there for folding. Access and storage closets abound. Uppers above the washer dryer location. And these are the storage I'm talking about. You got great little corner storage closets. This one is a really deep one here. Lots of space here. And across from there is a water heater. Got a water softener loop there to the right. And the garage, it's currently full of some toys, but you can just, again, spatially give a feel for what this fully finished garage looks like. Insulated, sheetrock, painted, and textured. Very nice two-car. And coming back in, just focus on that LVP real quick. Beautiful. Back into the dining. If I stop here, this will give you a good indication of the backyard. It's very big. They've been driving out the back end, that's the north end of the property, onto the main road. So plenty of room there for whatever comes next. Beautiful. Undermount sink, island. Really pretty. So to the left, we have two bedrooms. Big, beautiful, full bathroom here. And the rooms are very large. I'll just step in here and kind of pan so you can get a feel again for how much space is here. Twin bed, you can see there's 12 feet probably between those beds, and then another twin bed there. Full closet savers. They've done a really good job on the closet savers. Deep closet. Very deep. And the second bedroom I'm going to briefly show, but it has kind of a catch-all room right now. So there's a lot of storage items in here and desk items, but spatially, again, the size of the room is big, very nice. It gives you a good feel of the bathroom, two bedrooms. This is a little linen closet here at the end of the hallway. It's perfect for that extra stuff. Back into the main living room area. Again, large, into the master, which is tremendously big. So that is a king, and you can see the size of this room with that king bed in here. So I would guess at least 6 feet over there, probably closer to 8 feet, both sides of that bed. Big walk-in. Master bathroom, walk-in closets, walk-in shower. Gorgeous. All right, stepping into the bathroom. Soaker tub and shower to the right. Deep, deep, deep walk-in closets. And this is all cultured marble in this walk-in shower. Again, I'll try to give you a feel for the space in here. It's very large. And soaker tub with a cultured marble surround. If you have any questions about this beautiful home or you'd like to see it in person, please reach out to us. You can reach us at the Countrywide Properties Group, Keller Williams Realty, East Idaho, www.eastidahorealestate.com, 208-356-7300. Appreciate you taking this virtual tour.